Wild animals. Some animals are wild. They don't live in houses or cages. They live in jungles or on plains where they can roam free. The lion is the king of the beasts. He is very mighty and roars loudly, a sound that can be heard for miles. The giraffe has a very long neck. This helps him eat leaves from the tallest trees, reaching for the juiciest ones at the very top. The elephant is very large. He has a long trunk that he uses to drink water and two long, white tusks. A tiger has beautiful stripes that help it hide in the tall grass. Some bears are black and some are brown. There are even white bears called polar bears who live in the cold, snowy Arctic. A kangaroo lives in Australia. That is the only place you would find a kangaroo, except in a zoo. They have strong legs for hopping. It might be frightening to run into a wolf or a fox. They are clever and quick. Monkeys are playful and love to swing through the trees. In some places, you might not see lions or tigers, but you can still find wild animals. You might see squirrels in your backyard, or even a raccoon or a chipmunk. In the forest, you might be lucky enough to see a deer. There are many kinds of wild animals, big and small, all over the world.